If you want to get domain privacy for free in Namecheap, this tutorial is going to walk you through the exact process step by step. Domain privacy is important because it helps protect your personal information from being exposed in public domain records, and in many cases, you may be able to enable it during checkout without paying extra. So if you've been looking for a simple way to secure your domain while keeping costs low, you're in the right place. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more helpful tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap. You can use the official Namecheap website or go directly to the account and domain search area. Once the site loads, you'll want to type the name of the domain you want to register into the search bar. Make sure you enter the exact domain name you're looking for, then run the search so Namecheap can check availability. After that, review the search results carefully. If your domain is available, you'll see an option to add it to your cart. Click on Add to Cart to continue. This is the point where you're preparing the domain for checkout, and it's also where you can begin looking for any privacy or protection options that may be included. Next, click on Checkout. This takes you into the shopping cart where Namecheap shows you a summary of everything you're about to buy. Here, make sure you review the domain, the registration term, and any add-ons before moving forward. This step is important because it lets you confirm that you're only paying for what you actually want. Now scroll down to find the domain privacy option. If Namecheap is offering it as part of the purchase flow, you should see an option to enable it. Turn domain privacy on so your contact details stay protected in Whois records. This is the key step in making sure your personal information is hidden from public view. Once domain privacy is enabled, take a moment to adjust the auto-renew settings. This is something a lot of people overlook, but it matters because it controls whether the domain and the privacy protection renew automatically in the future. If you want to keep control over your billing, review this carefully and choose the setting that works best for you. After that, click on Confirm Order. This moves you to the payment stage, where Namecheap will ask you to choose a payment method. Select the payment method you want to use, then click Continue to Proceed. On the final review screen, double-check everything one last time. Make sure the domain name is correct, the privacy option is enabled, and the order details look right. If everything checks out, go ahead and pay and complete the purchase. Once the order is processed, your domain registration should be active and your privacy protection should be in place. And that's how you get domain privacy for free in Namecheap, or as close to free as the checkout flow allows based on the options shown to you. The most important thing is to carefully check the cart, enable privacy if it's available, and confirm your order only after reviewing everything. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and share it with someone who's registering a domain for the first time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.